People, so Governor just drop a new song. Yeah, and the song here is like a love song.
Girl, inside, so me can't figure out. She beg myself to push my fingers in her mouth.
It's a bedroom song, so it name all of it. And trust me, people, no one hear all of it. It's not normal. So you can hear the vibe of the song right away. You know them lovey-dovey thing there. The woman and the man, them are gonna love that one, yeah. And as me say, is a real bedroom thing this, so you don't have to just hear it and hear it for yourself.
Don't know them skin it out to me. And watch the cocky I go in and out.
Why? I put the image in my head, people. I don't know, say it's a mad thing. It sound like another hit. I love how Governor go on from the other day. Yeah, man. Governor just a find the hit song them one after the other. It's like him can't go wrong right now. But not for comment on it too long. You no go listen.
Chocolate. She want all of it. So she want me to call and call her bitch.
Sting set to return. I wanna feel about that, people. Sting for return for 2018. Yeah, man, according to MC Nuffy, Sting the Staple Dancehall event staged on Boxing Day will be revived for December 2018. The resident host made the announcement during an interview with Winford Williams during On Stage. Mr. Isaiah Leng, the boss, says there will be a 2018 Sting. He also added that the organizers were hoping to have performing artists like Buju Banton, who is expected to be released from prison in December, and Vybz Kartel, who is currently awaiting a verdict on his appeal. You know that would be crazy, people. If Sting get Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel for December 2018, them no need no other artists, people. No for put down the other artists them in about to how long the people them no see them live and direct. That alone would have sell off the show. They would have probably have to keep that one in a stadium. When contacted yesterday, MC Nuffy told the Star, I could have speak about this from a long time, but it is supposed to be a surprise, MC Nuffy told the Star. The show came to a halt in 2015, which featured performance from Professor Nuts, Burro Banton, Turbulence, Rain Civil, Jamil and Starface among others. The turnout of patrons was less than previous years, which was blamed on a lack of sponsorship from corporate entities and an absence of trending names in the music industry. At that time, you didn't know Vybz Kartel did keep film little show up in the club there up in New Kingston, the building. Yeah, that club there, you see me? At that time, the show did start to fall apart during them time there. You see me? You have general like Ninja Man, you have Bounty Killer. All of them man had a knockout against Sting and say, yo, Leng nah deal the money thing right, and them put on them foot on them. You see me? So a whole heap of artists that back out of the thing, and Sting is a show where it promote the hot artists them. So when you have the hot artists pan Sting, is like, it's not Sting, it not Sting. Yeah, so inside source as to the entertainment package for this year, MC Nuffy says that the lineup will be a strong one. I am one of Leng's inside source, and him no want me give out too much information about the show. The dancehall MC says by next month, persons will begin to hear more about location. So about October before we start hear about the location and the lineup of artists them people. Kinda late, would I say, because I think the show should have already been promoted since December. December, they're right around the corner, you know. He did say that the organizers have been making contact with artists such as Dexter Daps among others, but nothing has been confirmed so far. Efforts to contact Isaiah Leng were unsuccessful. Meanwhile, one of the directors of Sting, Junior Evie Fraser, told the Star that he is leaving all the interviews to MC Nuffy. I don't know how MC Nuffy do the talking. Him are the man with the chatting.
One man see your chat and I know for that. You a move like a bitch, wait a buffy that.
Since he made the initial statement on Sting's return. So I want to feel about that, people. And I think Sting is an important show when needed in a dancehall, or is something we can do without. Two sides to the story, you know, is a mixed view thing, you know. You have some people who say Sting can do without because it only causes violence, and, you know, Sting known for the clashing and word of fling and sometimes buckle fling too. You see me? So sometimes it get physical. I don't know that, people. I don't know about Popcorn and Black Rhino. I don't know about Vybz Kartel and Ninja Man. I don't know about Who else? Wanna comment below and tell me, cause whole heap of them, you know, so you have mixed views on the thing. Some people are say it can do without. Some people are say it needed. When the young artists them hot, you know, or any new artists when new upon the scene, you have even Gully Bop when Gully Bop get hot. A show like Sting now, them get a year where hot. In the next year now, them get a good starter for January and, you know, and so Sting used to do it. So Sting used to bust artists. And me can't deny that, people. You see me? Whole heap of artists bust through Sting. So, comment below. Tell me, can we do without Sting or we need this Sting? Yeah, man. So, Just Fox TV and I'm out.